Students, welcome to today's class, and today we are going to study about estimation and using brackets while solving the problems and also Roman numerals. Okay, today we are studying all these things in our today's class. Students, I am holding newspaper, right, and I am reading some sports news. India drew with Pakistan in hockey match watched by approximately 51,000 spectators in the stadium and 40 million television viewers worldwide. But exactly 40 million viewers are watching in television. Were they exactly 51,000 spectators in stadium? We don't know, right? It is a guess. It is a guess. We don't know and only guessing reasonably. We don't know and we don't go in that stadium. Okay. So, like this, a reasonable guess is called as what? Estimation. Then, what is estimation? Estimation of a number is a reasonable guess of actual value. A reasonable guess of actual value. Okay. The estimation involves approximating quantity of accurate value. One is rounding up the number to the nearest 10. Rounding up the numbers to the nearest tens means what? We have to rounding up the digit to the nearest tens, right? So here one rule is there. First rule is what? We examine the digits. First we examine the digit in ones place. If the digits in ones place is less than 5, then replace ones digits by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. Okay, keep the other digits as they are. Second rule is, if the digit at ones place is 5 or more than 5, then replace ones by 0 and increase tens by 1. Okay, increase tens by 1. Okay, we will see some example how to rounding up a number to the nearest tens.
You already knew about the rules, right? So I will just explain how to round this number to the nearest tens. So here 28 is there. You have to examine ones place. In ones place 8 is there. 8 is more than 5, right? So more than 5 you have to replace ones by 0 and increase the tens digit by ones. Here tens digit 2 is there. Increase by 1 means 3. So 30. Second one is 32. First examine the ones place. Ones place is what? Less than 5. So you have to replace ones place by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. Is 41. Ones place is less than 5. So you have to replace ones place by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. 250. Examines ones place. Ones place is 5 or more than 5, right? So it is 5. If 5 or more than 5 is there, then replace ones by 0 and increase tens by ones. So 1 is there, you have to increase by 1, 2 and keep the other digit as they are. So 220 and 1453. Here you have to examine ones place. Ones place is what? Less than 5. You have to replace ones place by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. Here ones place is what? More than 5, right? So replace ones by 0 and increase tens by 1. So 3 is there. 3 is there. You have to increase by 1, 4 and keep the other digit as they are. 2940.
Second one is rounding up a number to the nearest hundreds. Okay, rounding up the number to the nearest hundreds. Here also two rules is there. First rule is we examine the digit at in which place? We examine the digit at tens place. Okay, here we examine the digit at tens place. If the digit at tens place is less than 5, then we replace tens and ones place by 0 and keep the other digits are as they are. Next, second rule is If the digit at tens place is 5 or more than 5, then we replace tens and ones by what? 0, and increase hundreds digits by 1 and increase hundreds place by 1. Okay, let's see some problems how to rounding up a nearest hundreds value.
Round this number to the nearest hundred. Here I only explain the example. 841, you have to rounding this number to the nearest hundred. So first you examine the tens place. Tens place is less than 5, right? So you have to replace tens and ones by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. So it is 800. Then 9537. Here tens place is less than 5, so you have to replace tens and ones by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. So 9500. Third one is 286. Here tens place is greater than 5. You have to replace tens and ones by 0 and increase 100 digit by 1. So increase 100 digit is 2 is there. You increase by 1 means 300. 168. Here tens place is greater than 5. Replace tens and ones by 0 and increase hundreds place by 1. So 100 digit is 1. You increase by 1 means 2. 200. 9870. Here tens place is greater than 5. So tens and ones you replace by 0 and increase 100 place by 1. 9 and 9900.
Third one is rounding of a number to the nearest thousand. We examine the digit at which place? We examine the digit at hundreds place. First we examine the digit at hundreds place. Then two rules are coming. First one is the digit at the hundreds place is less than 5. Then replace hundreds, tens, ones by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. And the second rule is if the digit at hundreds place is 5 or more than 5, then replace hundreds, tens and ones by 0 and increase thousands place by 1. And let's see some problems and how they are nearest to 1000. Okay.
Rounding of the numbers nearest 1000. Here you have to rounding of the numbers to the nearest 1000. 3946 is there. First you have to examine the digit at hundreds place. Here hundreds place 9 is there. 9 is greater than 5, so you have to replace hundreds, tens, ones by 0 and increase 1000 digits by 1. So 4000. 1425. Here hundreds place is less than 5, so you have to replace hundreds, tens and ones by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. 9526. Here hundreds place is 5 or more than 5 is there. You have to increase by 1000 plus 1. Here 5 is there, so you have to replace hundreds, tens and ones by 0 and increase what? Increase 1000 by 1. 9 is there, 10, so 10,000. 39,532. Here hundreds place is 5, so you have to replace hundreds, tens and ones by 0 and increase 1000 by 1. That one is 10. 10 is there and 1 is going to this place. 3 plus 1 is 4. 40,000. And 29,225. Here 100 places less than 5, so you have to replace hundreds, tens and ones by 0 and keep the other digits as they are.
How to estimate sum or difference? Let's see all these things in my explanation zone.
To estimate sum or difference, first we have to estimate sums. Here one rule is there. 5290 is there. It is 1000. it is in the thousands value. 17,986, it is 10,000s, right? So 1000, 10,000 is there. You have to round up these two numbers nearest to 1000. 17,986, nearest to 1000 is what? Hundreds place greater than 5 is there. You have to replace hundreds, tens, ones by 0 and increase what? 1000 by 1, 8, 18,000, right? Then 5,290. Here hundreds place is less than 5. Replace hundreds, tens, ones by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. And after the estimation, you have to add this number 0, 0, 0. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 plus 1 is 2. 23,000. In the difference also, same as addition, but here you have to subtract these two numbers. Here 5,673 is there. Here 436 is there. This is hundreds, this is thousands. Both are different, but you have to see the digits. 3 digits is there, 4 digits is there, right? So you have to rounding up to hundreds. Here 100 is possible, here also 100 is possible, right? If you are taken 1000, here 1000 is not possible. In 436 we can't rounding up to 1000. But if we rounding up to hundreds, here also rounding up to 100 is possible, right? So you have to take like this way, okay? So 5,673 rounding up to 100 is what? You have to examine tens place. Tens place is greater than 5. Replace by 0, 0 and hundreds place increase by 1, 7, 5,700. 436. Here tens place is what? Less than 5. Replace it by 0, 0 and keep the other digits as they are. 5,700 minus 400,300.
How to estimate products? Let's see all these things in my explanation soon.
To estimate products, here what is the rule? Round off each factor to its greatest place, then multiply the rounded off factors, right? So 63 into 182. Here 2 digits are there, here 3 digits are there. So here you have to rounding each factors to its greatest value. That means 63 is there, it is 1 tens, so you have to rounding up this number to the nearest tens. Here 3 digits are there, you can rounding up to the nearest 100, right? So like that, rounding up each factor to its greatest places, okay? 63 is rounding up to tens, right? So what is that? 63 rounding up to tens. 1's place is less than 5, so replace it by 0 and 6 is as they are 60. 182 is rounding up to the 100 to 8. So you have to examine tens place greater than 5, replace it by tens and ones by 0 and increase hundreds by 1. That means 200. 60 into 200. So easy way of example is, how many 0 is there? You have to put that much 0. 0, 0, 0, 3 0 and 6 2s are 12. It is the easiest way. Otherwise you have to what? 1 by 1 multiplication is too much lengthy. So simplest way of multiplication. 173 into 330. Here both are 3 digits. You have to what? Round it up to nearest 100, right? So 873 nearest 100 is 900. 313 to nearest 100 is 300. 900 into 300. Same way of multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 0 you have to write. Then 3 9s are 27. 898 into 785. Here also 3 digits are there. you have to round it off each factor to its greatest place. So nearest 100, nearest 100, 900, 800 is coming, 900 into 800, 0, 0, 0, 0, 8 9s are 72.
Next is using brackets. Here I introduce some brackets, okay. First one is round bracket or parenthesis. Second one is square brackets. Third one is flower bracket. And fourth one is angle brackets. We are using this brackets to expand the numbers, okay. Some big problems are there, some more difference problem are there, some expanding problems are there. We using these brackets. We commonly using what? Round bracket or a square bracket or flower brackets.
Expand brackets, right? Here 7 into 109 is given. So how we use the bracket? 7 is 1 digits. Here 109 is 3 digits, right? You can split this number into what? 2 numbers. See here, 7 into 100, you may write what? 100 plus 9. 100 plus 9 is what? 109 only, right? So I written here 7 into 100 plus 9. Here you have to use the brackets. Here you have to use the brackets. 7 into 100 multiply. Here which sign is there? Plus. You have to put plus here. Then 7 into 9. This method is called as distributive property. Okay, distributive property. In the upcoming lesson, you have to study this property. So 7 into 100 is 700 and 7 9s are 63. 700 plus 63 is what? 763. Then 102 into 103. Here we can what? Split this number into 2 terms. 102 is what? 100 plus 2. You have to put the bracket. Into 103 is what? 100 plus 3. You have to put the bracket. Next, 100 plus 2 into 100 and 100 plus 2 into 3. See here, 100 plus 2 into 100. Next, you have to put addition mark. Then 100 plus 2 into 3. Here. Next, we can put brackets here. See here, 100 into 100 plus of 2 into 100 plus sign 100 into 3 plus sign 2 into 3. So 100 into 100 is what? 10,000 plus of 2 into 100 200 plus of 100 into 3 300 plus of 2 into 3 6. You have to add all 4 numbers. You will get what? 10,506. Also we split these 2 numbers. 17 is, we may write 10 plus 7 and 109 we may write 100 plus 9. So 10. So see here, we will split only this number. Okay, only this number I will split. See here, 10 plus 7 and keep this one as here. So 10 into 109 plus 7 into 109. Here I will split this numbers here. 10 into 100 plus 9 plus of 7 into 100 plus 9. 10 into 100 plus of 10 into 9 plus of 7 into 100 plus of 7 into 9. So 100 tens are 1000 plus 10 nines are 90 plus 7 into 100 700 plus 7 into 9s are 63. So 1790 plus 63 is 1853.
Is Roman classes, you already knew how to write Roman numerals, right? So how to write 1 to 10 numbers in Roman numerals or 1 to 100 numbers in Roman numerals. So how to write 50 in Roman numerals? We write it as L, okay? How to write 100 in Roman numerals? We write 100 in Roman numerals as C. How to write 500 in Roman numerals? We write 500 in Roman numerals as D, okay? How to write 1000 in Roman numerals? We write 1000 in Roman numerals as M. We will study deeply the rules of Roman numerals in my explanation zone.
We all are studied about the Roman numerals. Some rules are there. We will see one by one. First rule is what? If a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs, right? If 2 is there, we will write 2 is what? Double bar, right? We will write 2 is as double bar. So double bar, if 1 bar is there, it is the value of 1 bar is 1. If it is what? Repeated, its value is increases 2, right? Another one time repeated, it is 3. Like that, double what? Double symbol of these two repeated what? 20, right? If single is there 10, double is there 20, and triple is there 30. Like that, if the symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it's occurred. Okay, it only what? Repeated only 3 times, not more than 3. Symbol is repeated more than 3 times, but the symbol V, L and D are never repeated. V is repeated only once. Okay, it not repeated more than what? Symbol V, L and D are never repeated. If 10 is coming, we are not written V double times. So L also. L means what? 50. If we write 200, we don't write L double time. We only write what? C. So L is repeated only one time and D is also repeated only one time. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, okay, smaller value is written to the what? Right of a symbol of greater value. Its value gets added the value of greater symbol. The value get added, okay. If 6 is there, we can add what? 5 plus 1 is 6, no? Like that way, 5 will write and 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So, a symbol of smaller value. 1 is smaller. It is written to the what? Right of the symbol of greater value. Here also, if we have to write what? 12, how will we write? 10 is the greater value and right of its greater value will write smaller value 1. So 10 plus 2 is 12. Then we have to write 65. How will you write? First we write 50 plus 10 plus 5. So 50, then after smaller value 10, then after smaller value 5. So 50 plus 10 plus 5, 65. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, its value is subtracted from the value of the greatest symbol. See here, 4 is there. 4, we can't write what? One digit 4 times because it is only 3 times we can write, not more than 3. That time, what we will do? We write 5. 5 minus 1 is 4, right? So we have to write 5. So we have to write 5. What? Left of 5 we will write what? 1. So the smaller value is written to the left of the greater value. So left of the greater value will write the smaller value. Here 9 is also there. We can't write what? 5 once times and 1 digit 4 times because that digits are small digits are only repeated in the 3 times, right? How will you write 9? 10 minus 1, right? So first you write what? greatest value 10 and left of and after the left of greatest value we will write smallest value. So smallest value here, left of the greatest value is coming. Okay, next, the symbol V, L and D are never written to the left of the symbol of greater value. V, L and D are never repeated. Also, it is never write the left of the symbol of greatest value. Like this we will never write. That is, V, L, D are never subtracted. The symbol 1 can be subtracted from V and X only. See here, we will write 4. How will you write? We subtracted 5 minus 1, right? If we write 9, we subtracted what? 10 minus 1. But the symbol can be subtracted from V and X only, not any other what? Any other numerals. The symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. Here we can subtract X from L and M and C only. L minus X is what? L is 50 minus X 40. So the symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. Write in Roman numerals. 69. How will write 69? 60 plus 9. 60 how will write? 50 plus 10. Okay, because 60 Roman numerals not is there, but 50 is there, 10 is there. 50 plus 10 is, how will we write? L, X, right? Plus 9 how will we write? 1x, because we have to subtract 10 minus 1 is 9, right? So Lx 1x, like this. And 98. 90 plus 8. 90 is not there. How will we write? Now we will not write what? 80 plus 10, because 80 is also not there. We have to write 100 minus 10, because 100 is there, 10 is there. Xc. We can write this one, right? Xc plus 8 is what? 8, the symbol is there. So Xc 8, like this.
Students, what we have learned today? We learned about estimation and using brackets as well as Roman numerals, right? So this ends up our first lesson, knowing our number. That you all are understood the knowing our number chapter. If you learn and practice the problems regarding on knowing our number. Thank you.